Welcome back to the workshop. In today's video, the complete steering rack fitting process is demonstrated step by step, showing how to install a replacement steering rack safely and correctly for smooth steering performance and reliable vehicle control. Before beginning any work, park the vehicle on a level surface, apply the parking brake, and place wheel chocks behind the rear wheels to prevent movement. Disconnect the negative battery terminal if the vehicle has electric power steering or steering angle sensors that could be affected during the repair. Raise the front of the vehicle using a suitable hydraulic jack and support it securely with heavy-duty jack stands placed under the recommended lifting points. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Remove both front wheels to gain full access to the steering and suspension components. Before removing the old steering rack, inspect the surrounding parts including the tie rod ends, steering knuckles, lower control arms, ball joints, sway bar links, bushings, steering shaft coupling, and power steering hoses. Look for signs of excessive wear, cracked rubber boots, leaking hydraulic fluid, damaged threads, or loose fasteners. A careful inspection at this stage can prevent future problems and reduce the need for additional repairs later. Clean dirt, grease, and rust from the steering rack mounting area using a brush and cleaning spray. A clean work area makes installation easier and prevents contamination from entering important steering components. Straighten the steering wheel and ensure the front wheels are pointing straight ahead before disconnecting any steering components. Continue by reinstalling both front wheels and hand tighten the lug nuts in a crisscross pattern to ensure the wheels are seated evenly against the hubs. Carefully lower the vehicle until the tires just touch the ground. Then tighten the wheel nuts to the manufacturer's specified torque using a calibrated torque wrench. If the vehicle is equipped with a hydraulic power steering system, refill the power steering reservoir with the correct type of fluid recommended by the manufacturer. Never mix different types of steering fluids, as this may damage seals and internal components. With the front wheels still free to turn if possible, start bleeding the steering system by slowly rotating the steering wheel from full left lock to full right lock several times while the engine remains off. This allows air trapped inside the steering rack and hydraulic lines to begin escaping into the reservoir. Check the fluid level again and top it up as necessary. In the end, the steering rack has been installed successfully. All mounting bolts have been tightened to specification. The steering system has been inspected, and the vehicle is ready for a professional wheel alignment and road test. Always double-check every connection before returning the vehicle to service because steering is one of the most important safety systems on any car. If you found this workshop tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more detailed automotive repair and restoration videos. Thank you for watching.